Tired of studying for hours, only to forget everything? What if you could shave hours off your study time, with one tool? Lectures run too fast, meetings go on forever. YouTube videos are too long, and taking notes, it feels impossible. Most of us spend more time writing than actually learning. But that ends today. This is NoteGPT, your AI learning assistant. It doesn't just record, it transcribes, summarizes, and turns any video, lecture, PDF, or article into study-ready notes in seconds. No more manual writing. No more missing key points. Paste a YouTube link and instantly get a summary, even if there are no subtitles. Transcribe long PDF documents, then ask questions about it. Create flashcards, mind maps, and quizzes for smarter review. Students are calling it a game changer, getting better grades with less stress. Educators and professionals are calling it efficiency unlocked. Imagine understanding content before others do. Spending more time actually learning and less time just writing notes. And NoteGPT makes that possible for a limited time. Try NoteGPT with full features, free. No credit card needed. Save time, retain more, and learn smarter today. Hit the link now. Start your free trial of NoteGPT. Your smarter study session starts right now. And NoteGPT, study less, learn more.